Our journey starts with the first bite. Imagine taking a delicious bite of an apple. What happens next? As we chew, our teeth break down the food into smaller pieces. This makes it easier to swallow. Our tongue helps move the food around. It mixes the food with saliva, a watery liquid in our mouth. Saliva makes the food slippery and easy to swallow. It also starts to break down the food. Have you noticed that food starts to taste sweet when you chew longer? This is because saliva helps release the sugars in food. This process is essential for digestion. It prepares the food for its journey through our digestive system. Next, we'll follow the food as it travels down the esophagus. Let's continue our journey. After we swallow, the food travels down a long tube called the esophagus. Think of the esophagus like a slide. This slide connects our mouth to our stomach. Muscles in the esophagus squeeze the food downwards. This process is called peristalsis. It is like a wave pushing the food along. The esophagus doesn't play a role in digesting food. Its job is to transport it quickly and safely to the stomach. This journey happens surprisingly fast. It takes only a few seconds for the food to reach its next destination. Join us next as we explore the wonders of the stomach. The stomach is a muscular bag that holds the food we eat. It's like a mixing bowl where the real breakdown begins. Inside the stomach, strong acids and enzymes get to work. They break down the food even further into a soupy mixture. This mixture is called chyme. Have you ever heard your stomach rumbling? That's the sound of muscles churning the food. This churning helps mix the food with the digestive juices. It also prepares the chyme for its journey to the small intestine. The stomach plays a vital role in digestion. Next, we'll learn about the liver, a crucial organ in processing the nutrients from our food. Section 4, the liver, a chemical powerhouse. The liver is a large organ located on the right side of our abdomen. It's like a busy factory that performs many important functions. One of its main jobs is to process the nutrients absorbed from the small intestine. The liver filters the blood coming from the digestive system. It breaks down toxins and converts nutrients into forms our body can use. The liver also produces bile, a digestive juice that helps break down fats. Bile is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine when needed. The liver is essential for maintaining a healthy body. It ensures that our bodies receive the nutrients they need and are protected from harmful substances. Let's move on to the kidneys and their role in filtering waste from our blood. Section 5, the kidneys, filtering marvels. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of our spine. Their primary function is to filter our blood. Imagine them as tiny filters that remove waste products. These waste products are then carried away in urine. The kidneys also help regulate our blood pressure and maintain the right balance of fluids and electrolytes in our body. They play a vital role in keeping us healthy. Just like the liver, they are essential for removing waste and maintaining a stable internal environment. Now let's discover how the lungs contribute to this intricate system. Section 6, the lungs, breathing life into our bodies. Though not directly involved in digestion, the lungs are crucial for providing our bodies with the oxygen we need to live. When we breathe in, our lungs take in oxygen from the air. This oxygen enters our bloodstream and is carried to all parts of our body. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste product of our cells, is released from our blood into our lungs. We breathe out this carbon dioxide, removing it from our bodies. This process of gas exchange is essential for keeping our cells alive and functioning. Without our lungs, our bodies wouldn't be able to get the oxygen they need. The lungs exemplify the interconnectedness of our bodily systems, each vital for our survival.